What is up, guys? It's Shaneé Allure here, and I'm back with another video. Disclaimer, please excuse my broken nail. I just broke my nail the other day, and yeah. So today's video is going to be a little different as to like the hair reviews and things like that. This is going to be my unfurnished apartment tour.
Me at the London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. You just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say the word and I run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's when I knew.
Once again, my apartment is not furnished at all, so it's just gonna be quick. I don't really have anything to go in depth about as to where I got stuff from, because most of the stuff is from my other apartment. So yeah, okay. So we're gonna go outside. I'm gonna show you guys everything. So when you walk in, this is the first thing that you see, my doormat. And it smells like so much sage in here. Oh my gosh. So hanging up right here, I just have like this little mail thing that I got from Burlington. I can hang my keys up, put my mail inside of here, and just be organized. Right here, I just have my shoes, my beat up Yeezys that I wear like every day because they're so comfortable. And I have these shoes that I had on today from Zara. So this is the door entrance view. So we walk in, this is what you see. Everything in this apartment is carpeted except for this little area right here, the kitchen and the bathroom. So right here, I believe I'm gonna hang my TV up because this is where the cable line is. And this is the way that they had it set up. So I don't know, it's a weird living room, so I don't really have much places to put a TV and stuff. So some nice big windows, the chandelier, which I feel like is so low, but it's whatever. Then I have my ring light because I recorded a video yesterday. This clock is from Walmart, and this picture is from Marshall's. So it says positive mind, positive vibes, positive life. We all need some positivity. Speaking of positivity, this is why I have my sage and my Palo Santos. I think that's how you say it. I don't know, but it be burning and it bring good energy. I just got this Zara perfume here. It's supposed to be in my closet, but I just put it here because I need something to go on this little breakfast area. Then I have this. I don't know what these are called. If you know what it's called, comment down below. They just like, they have like the scent things. So I guess you just dip the stick inside of the scent, and yeah, that's what the sticks are for, so it can smell good in this area. Then this is my favorite candle, but unfortunately it's finished. I'm all the way to the bottom. This is from Walmart too. This is the best smell ever. Like, I really love the smell. It's such a homey smell. Then we go into this little section right here. It says uncork and unwind. So that's why I have 2 wine glasses. Whenever you get a wine bottle or something, you put the cork inside. And yeah. So when I get ready to decorate my apartment, I think I'm gonna put my couch here. I'm only gonna have to get a sofa. I was looking at sectionals, but I don't think I could fit a sectional in here because it's not gonna be enough space. So comment down below if I should put it against this wall or in front of the window. And I'm gonna have to have the TV over here for the living room. The TV in the living room has to go here. Like, there's no other place for it to go. Then we have like the thermostat. Next to the thermostat, let's just, okay, I just moved in, so give me a break. This closet is really big actually. I have my paper towels, my tissue, my laundry stuff I put inside of the bathroom, but this is just to make it smell good in here because the water heater is here, so it has like a odd smell in it. And I gotta break these boxes down. These are the boxes that my stuff came in. I have like so many boxes. I probably got like a little bit more stuff left in it. And then I just got my winter jackets here just for now. I didn't put it in my room closet yet. So this is the view from the closet and the breakfast area. This is the little garbage that I got from Walmart. Then when you walk here, it is the kitchen. So the kitchen is not really that big. It ain't much to it. You know, little nice counter. I'm gonna actually get the marble what is it called? Like, it's like a marble paper, and you can make it like, you know, a different color. It's gonna look cute. I'm gonna show y'all. Then I have my stove. I actually have my Big Z inside of here. So yeah, then I have my refrigerator. And I got my little cereals, not paper towel, plastic cups, paper plates, because your girl don't feel like washing no dishes. Then I got my foils and my parchment paper for when I bake cookies and stuff. Then I got my cabinets here, white, which need to be painted over, okay. And my sink, I got like one dish in there. And I have my 2 7-day candles. Those are spiritual candles. So this is the view from the kitchen. Oh, and I got this sticker here from Family Dollar in New York. Before I left, I love their like stickers for the walls and stuff. So yeah, I need to get more for my room. So once you leave the kitchen, the bathroom is right here. My bathroom is not decorated yet. Okay. I'm thinking about doing a gray theme throughout my whole house. Excuse me, I just got this little thing on the wall that says don't forget, like stuff to not, for me to remember. I do spend a lot of time in the bathroom after your girl finished cooking, okay, and eating. So yeah, this is just, it's a mess right here right now, but this is like all my face stuff, body stuff, witch hazel and stuff like that. So you got these little lights, which I think is lopsided. Comment down below if you think it's lopsided. Then this is just like the air vent thing to suck up the air, because it's no what is it? There's no bathroom window. But what I don't like about this bathroom is no freaking outlet. So I'll be having to do my hair in the room, which is annoying because if my hair sheds, it's gonna get on the carpet, and that's just too much. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, we're done in the bathroom. Then we're gonna head to my favorite place out of the whole house, which is my bedroom. Mad cute or whatever. I'm gonna get a new bed probably next month. Because this bed is old. I got it last year. No, it hasn't even been a year since I had the bed, but yeah. So this is cute. I got this little like fur throw. This is supposed to be for a couch. I got this from Family Dollar. I got my little fur rug from my other apartment, and I got my unicorn slippers. Then I got my mirror right here, my pillows, and this eye mask, which I don't really sleep with because I either sleep with lashes or I just go to sleep. I don't really be putting that on. Yeah, I got this #hustle from Burlington, and I really like this one because it's a good size. Like, window, and then the mirror. So we're gonna come back around and I'm gonna show you out the closets. I got this garbage from Walmart. I'm about to change it, don't worry. And I got this stool right here. Is from, don't tell me, it's from Marshall's. And I got this like a Boss, it's like something for your desk, like if you're a teacher or something. I got that from Family Dollar. This bag is from Marshall's when I used to work at Marshall's. And I got my Louis Vuitton bag there, which my godfather gave me as a gift. And another plug-in here. And this is the fan for when the air conditioning is on, because we have central air in here. So I don't know, I just blocked the air. I don't know what it's doing, right? Then I got this from my other apartment. I know y'all remember this. Then I hung this up on the wall. Everything in here is crooked to me because I did not hang it up right, and I just made it more crooked, I think. Yes, I did. All right, it says YouTube and Instagram at Shaneé_Allure. Then this is my my lash company name, Lux Lashes, Allure Lux Lashes. I didn't have enough letters. This is supposed to be a linen closet, but I'm using it as like my wig section, business. Everything up here is for lip gloss. I have my gloves, the things to push the lip gloss inside of the tubes. I have lip gloss pigments in here. I have not the boxes, like the bags to ship the stuff out all the way in the back, which is that pink thing. Here I got some of my lashes. I just threw everything in here, I'm not gonna lie. Then I got my lash mannequin here, and I got my 2 mannequin heads, and I got a wig back there, which I was looking for. And down here is messy, so I'm not really gonna show you that. Yeah. So once you leave the room, this is the view. It's the view of the living room, the bathroom, the kitchen, and like the living dining area. So when I get my furniture, I am gonna do a furnished house tour. I just want to know what colors I should do in my living room. My room is kind of like, I guess, pink and black theme, because I do got a lot of pink stuff in there. That picture in there is pink and black, and then my little letter wall thing is black and white. My other picture in there is black and white. So I'm going for like the marble. Like I want my living room to be like marble gray. You know, this has like a little marble print on it, and then it's gray, like silver. Then the clock is like marble and gray. So that's the look I'm really going for. So let me know what colors I should do in my living room. I originally wanted rose gold, gray, and white, but it's not looking like that. Okay, so let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. I know I look crazy. I just did runarounds, and it's only 3 o'clock, and I still gotta edit another video, upload that video, then start editing this one and upload it for tomorrow. So let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. My first unfurnished apartment tour. I got like a little bit of things in it, but it's like nothing, like, you know what I'm saying? I was just mostly like worried about getting my bed and stuff down here. So yeah, I'm gonna do a furnished apartment tour soon, so stay tuned for that. Okay, I'm doing big things at 19, but yes, I'm so happy and I'm thankful. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe onto this video if you guys want to see more. Let me know. DM me on Instagram at Shaneé_Allure. Follow my business page at _Allure Luxe Lashes. Support my brand. My website will be launching soon, so stay tuned for some bomb 25mm lashes, 15mm lashes, and some lip gloss. I got different color nudes, pinks, clear, whatever you want, I got it. Okay, so make sure you guys follow me on all my social media, Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, everything that I got, and I'm gonna be back with another banger. Okay, later guys.